Yeah, I'm John Pepper. I'm the Academy Manager at Sheffield Wednesday. I mean, it's been fantastic in terms of the quality of the training is vastly improved in terms of the technical quality, how you can pass the ball and receive the ball on the pitch, and also hopefully it has a less impact on the body and reduction of injuries as well, so that's quite important. So we've found so far that the players really like it once they get used to the surface, the coaches like using it, and hopefully it'll be a positive impact on the academy for the next few years.
My name is Fahad Ismail, PDP coach at Sheffield Wednesday, also on the player to coach scheme, been at Sheffield Wednesday for 3 seasons now. It gives you a different balance, even walking it with shoes is really different. It's not to a normal AstroTurf you're used to. It's got a lot of cushion, it feels a lot more relaxed on your feet, and it's a different feeling when you've got your football boots on as well. So personally I really enjoyed it.
On the 3G surfaces, they tend to bobble a little bit more, you're passing a little bit inconsistent, but on this surface you can really punch it like you can do on grass. It's more aligned to what you'd expect on a grass surface. Part of the reason for laying the surface is that we have had a number of injuries on artificial surfaces. I went over to Holland to look at the surface over at PSV Eindhoven. They've done a lot of research on injury prevention and the impact it had on reduction of injuries. We're looking to recruit the best younger players around in the region. We do a lot of activity in terms of recruitment activity on this type of pitch, so games, inviting in local clubs, junior clubs, looking at players. And I know for a fact that 1 or 2 have gone away, published on social media, the fact that this new pitch is so different to what you see across the country with the rubber crumb 3G type surfaces. So we're hoping it has a positive impact on our recruitment.